Hi everyone, we will be unboxing the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s. So when we open the box, this is what we will be seeing. First, we will be seeing the phone. There is also a SIM ejector and a jelly case. So this is what the jelly case looks like. These are the documentations once you get the phone. These are the charging cable and the adapter. The phone uses a USB Type-C and has a fast charging of 33-watt adapter. The main camera has 64 megapixels, the macro camera has 2 megapixels, the depth sensor has 2 megapixels, and the ultra-wide sensor has 8 megapixels. It has dual speakers that you can find on the top and the bottom. It also has a 3.5 headphone jack, so you can still use wired earphones or headphones. This is the power button and the volume controls. The SIM tray goes here and it can hold one memory card and two SIM cards. So we will turn on the phone. This is what the home screen looks like. And this is the app drawer. You can also change categories to find the app that you're looking for faster. So the phone has 128 gigabytes storage capacity. Here are some sample shots taken. Let's check the video quality on Netflix. Let's check the phone's performance on gaming. we are gonna set the graphics quality to very high. As you can see, there appears to be no frame drops. Even with the 60Hz refresh rate, the game is still running smoothly. The Redmi Note 10s is a well-rounded mid-range phone. It's good for casual gaming and for regular use.